Maria Quina. Bago pa raw dumating ang mga Kastila sa Marikina, isang maganda, mabait at matalinong babae ang naninirahan sa bayan. Dahil sa kakayahan niya sa negosyo, ang buhay niya ay umunlad. Ginamit niya ang kanyang pera sa kawang gawa. Naging tanyag siya dito hanggang sa Maynila. Sa tuwing dadalaw ang ibang tao mula sa ibang bayan at magtatanong ng pangalan ng bayan, sinasagot sila na ang pangalan ay Maria Quina. Sa pag-aakalang tinatanong ang kanilang pinagpipitagang babae. Mula noon, ang bayan ay nakilalang Marikina.
Marikina is known as the shoe capital of the Philippines because of the extensive shoe manufacturing industry in the area. It dates back to the Spanish era where local workers learned shoemaking skills from the friars. Over time, Marikina became the center of shoe manufacturing in the country. In the shoe industry, Marikina has other important parts of the history. It was a part of major event in the Philippines such as the Filipino uprising against the Spaniards, the establishment of the Republic of the Philippines, and the wars that occurred in the country. In 1985, Manuel founded the SOG Corporation as the manufacturing company for auto shoes, a brand renowned for its durability and quality. Under his management, Auto grew to a nationwide network for 63 stores that employ more than 500 individuals and subcontractors from a single store in Pasig, with only 5 employees in 1979. But the shoemaking history of Manuel's family dated back even before the Second World War. It was in 1967 when Manuel's parents, Vicente Samson and his wife, Lucena Pascual Samson, created the Stork brand shoes and built their own shoes empire. Years later, Stork brand changed and paved a way to the creation of the Otto brand. As part of their innovation during 1980s, Otto introduced metal bulldogs and the carousel or Carabao hide footbed in the country. They also crafted the localized versions of Indian moccasins, penny loafer, and wooden clogs. Today, Otto maintains its tradition of excellent craftsmanship while pursuing new store concepts, new designs, and new products for the Otto retail outlets and Otto World of Shoes stores. Marikina is a popular term in Marikina, a city in the Philippines. From what I know, Marikit is often associated with the Marikina River, which runs through the city. The name Marikit itself means beautiful in the Filipino language. Marikina has a rich history, known for its shoemaking industry and being the shoe capital of the Philippines. Ang cute mo dyan. Dalaman. Ito naman. Ha? Hindi, yung marikit lang. Tay, matagal lang po ba kayo dito sa...
Ubani na nga ako, yun.
Bali po, bata pa po kayo. Hindi na po talaga kayo lumaki sa Marikina. Alam niyo po ba yung pinaka-history na nitong Marikit? Or yung pagpunta niyo po dito, ano pong pinakauna niyong nalaman na about po kay Marikit?
Pagkakaalam ko talaga yan eh. Itinayo lang yan para naging isa to ng pangalan ng babae na market. Kaya yan ang nilagay.
Okay. Parang ano po, bali po yung parang ano po, siya yung tao dito sa Marikina. So tapos kaya siya pinangalan ng Marikit kasi so nanggaling siguro yung Marikina sa Marikit.
Siguro, yun ang hindi ko alam. Baka doon nila siguro pinuha.
Kasi po na ano
Kaya
siya.
yung statue na yan, pinangalanan ng Martel. Siyempre, nagkagi talaga dito sa...
Okay po. Matagal na po ba siyang
Matagal na yan dyan. Ilang nalulubog na yan eh. Nung mataas yung tubig dito, hanggang dito nalunod yun yung dito lang sa ligya.
Yung Ondoy nga po, tsaka iba rin po na ano rin.
Pero matibay ang pagkakagawa, hindi talaga bumibigay.
Opo.
Na kahit na okay na yung ano niya, yung pagkakatungan, hindi talaga siya tumutulga. Matibay talaga.
Yung kids.